My name is Sam Ballard. I run Ballard Laboratories, where we're at here. My uncles are dentists, both of them. They're really successful dentists in Texas, and they actually invited me out to Texas to work for them to save money for a mission. And so when I went out there, you know, all that I really had was some knowledge with AutoCAD for architecture that I was learning at school. But soon enough, they were like, hey, you know, we have this equipment, this technology back in this storage room in one of our buildings. And they said, you know, I think you might be kind of good at it. It's a CAD design, different type obviously than architecture and designing homes. It's designing teeth. And so I said, sure, I'll go check it out. So I went back there and checked it out, kind of started playing with it, messing with it. And sure enough, I became pretty good at it. And I thought to myself, well, hey, I think this is the time that I maybe go out and start getting some clients and start a little business here. You make a model of a patient's mouth and their bite, and then you scan that into a digital file, into a CAD file, and then you design a tooth, a crown, a veneer, an implant, whatever it may be, and then you can actually mill that in a CAM system with a milling machine, a CNC milling machine. And so that was Hopetown Dental Laboratories that I started back then. Hopetown Dental Lab still exists today. I sold the majority of my shares of Hopetown Dental Lab about a year and a half ago and decided to start Ballard Dental Laboratories here in Utah. And then we also just recently opened our newest location of Ballard Laboratories in Louisville, Kentucky. You have to put your time in, you have to remember that it comes in stages, and that if you stay committed to an industry or to a target customer, whatever it may be, you'll get there. And so I think for me over this last year, that's been a big lesson for me, is patience. A year and a half ago, when I decided to kind of make the jump and start a new laboratory here, start a new startup, even though I'd done it before, it was pretty nerve-wracking to do that, and I felt a ton of support by professors from BYU, from the Rollins Center in particular. And obviously it's kind of a safe harbor to be able to start something. Luckily there's a lot of failures involved, and there's a lot of opportunity to say, hey, you know, I failed, didn't really understand that too much, or understood it a bunch, but it wasn't the right idea, or it wasn't the right direction. Now I can learn from that and go this direction, or whatever it may be. I love